Band in a Box versus Artificial Intelligence, the challenge for backing tracks. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the creation of backing tracks, questioning the traditional approach of band in a box. But is band in a box still a viable option? Band in a Box is known for its impeccable sound quality and the originality of its creations. However, AI offers new possibilities, allowing precise manipulation of audio tracks from any original song or karaoke. Before deciding, let's consider some key points. Sound quality. AI can alter audio tracks, but the quality may suffer, especially in live situations. Originality. Tracks modified by AI may lack the originality of Band in a Box's unique creations. Limitations in copyright. AI struggles with instruments like guitar and piano, and there may be potential copyright issues. In conclusion, Band in a Box remains a reliable choice for discerning musicians, offering sound quality and originality. For those finding Band in a Box complex, we offer an instruction manual. And if you prefer not to create your own backing tracks, we have a wide selection of ready-made SKU backing tracks and our SGU Facebook group. With Band in a Box, we wish everyone great musical success.